So I've talked about replacement behaviors before, and this is one that if you like to squeeze your pores, if you like to pop pimples, this is definitely a simulated replacement behavior that you may enjoy or you may find kind of a bit much, a bit disgusting. I don't know. Let's find out. So I got my Pop It Pal. So I'm going to open this. Very exciting. Okay, so what's in this? Oh, interesting. All right. Oh my gosh. You guys should use this as a, couldn't find them. Okay, oh, interesting. Okay, so it comes with instructions. I will read the instructions. Unwrap Pop It Pal. Okay, I still have to unwrap this. Okay, so it comes filled already. So this, like, this is what it is. This is simulating skin. There's a pink one and a brown one. I got the pink one. Squeeze with 2 fingers to pop the pimple. For best results, use at room temperature. Have fun. Okay, are you ready? Are you getting this? Maybe you should get my face the first time. I don't know, like, what my reaction's gonna be. I don't know. This is really weird. Ew. Ah. Ew, it's gross. Yeah, this is like a bit much for me. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna do one more though. Okay, you got that? Oh, it even made a popping noise.
It's disgusting.
There was a pop. Ugh. Yeah, okay, so then they give you directions for refilling it. So there are what, like, I don't know how many. It's like 16. Yeah, it looks like 16 little pores or whatever. And this is the pimple pus. They tell you to microwave it for 10 seconds and then fill it, and then you let it cool, and or you fill it with a dropper. Yeah, you fill it. Well, the pimple pus is made from all natural ingredients. That's good. It's made of oleo europeo and Serra alba. Neither of which I've heard of, but it's good that we know the ingredients. I can look them up. Pop It Pal. All right. What do we think? Write your comments. Do you think this is going to help you can this be a replacement behavior to pick less? Or is this gonna wanna make you pick more? I've seen people talk about the videos of like Dr. Pimple Popper videos or whatever, and a lot of people say that, you know, watching it kind of helps them replace the behavior. So this might be a similar thing. Other people, I think, might find it triggering. So, you know, maybe if you do this, it makes you want to do the behavior more. I don't think it does, like, for me. I don't think it has either effect for me. Like, it feels like something different to me. I don't know. It's very, very magnified and large compared to actually doing it on your face and seeing it in the mirror on your face. So I'm not sure. I will leave it up to you.